Namaste dosto, this is me, Chef Amol. Welcome to my channel, The Traveling Burner. Today we are at Kalam Beach, which is situated at Palghar district. This beach is one of the isolated and secluded beach in India. You can see the cleanliness of this beach. तो चलो घूमते हैं कलम बीच, चलो।
While exploring this area, I happened to come across several sunflower farms. Along with sunflower farming, all kinds of vegetables are grown in this area. यहाँ के लोगों से पता चला कार्तिक स्वामी मंदिर के बारे में, which is one of the most sacred places of this area. But unfortunately, we could not enter the temple as it is shut in the afternoon. Now we are going to a place which has got extremely popular not only in India but in overseas too. Agashi Bhujing Center. Chicken Poha Bhujing is an iconic dish of this place. Anyone who visits this place once keeps coming here again and again. These guys are serving this dish since last 70 years without compromising on their taste. They cook this dish in a very traditional way, and today I am going to use this bhujing in a recipe and create a solid fusion with it. You guys should definitely come here.
So guys, this is gonna be our setup for today. Today we're gonna customize our famous bhujing, and we're gonna serve that bhujing along with the prawns arrabbiata and sprout salad. Let me introduce the ingredients for that. We're gonna require tomatoes, onion, garlic, spring onion, chili paste, tomato sauce, salt, crushed pepper. This is for arrabbiata. And guys, I'm gonna add this alcohol into this, the famous Vasaika alkos. We also call it as kohlrabi. This we're gonna add into prawns arrabbiata. So this is gonna be our ingredients for sauce, and of course without prawns we cannot do anything. So ingredients are done, so let's get cooking. So friends, we'll start with arrabbiata sauce first. For that we'll need blanched tomato. I'll start for blanching of the tomatoes. I'll switch on my burner. ये बर्नर जो है, मैं कहाँ भी जाता हूँ मेरा साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ता दोस्तों, मेरा प्यारा बर्नर। I'll start with blanching of tomato. I'll just remove hair of the tomato. Then I'll give cut from the back side of the tomato. तो दोस्तों क्या होगा, after blanching it will be easy for me to remove the skin of the tomato. तब तक मेरा पानी जो है it's boiling. I'll chop the vegetables. I'll start with the onion. So guys, my cutting is done. Onions, garlic, spring onion and alkos. I think water is getting boiled. I'll tell you something about this alkos. When I was just passing from this road, in farm I saw a few people, they were working. So I just went, I saw कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं भाई. So I just asked them कि what you are preparing, what you are making. So they said they are making alkos. So I just asked them, I requested them, and that time only I realized that I can use these alkos in arrabbiata. Because whenever in hotels also, even at home, whenever you eat arrabbiata sauce, you always prefer it with pasta. But this time, as I told you, we're gonna customize our bhujing. वो विरार में है, so of course bhujing तो खाना बनता ही है. उसके साथ arrabbiata, prawns and alkos. So ये जो mixture है, ये जो combination है, वो बहुत प्यारा जाएगा. So my water has started boiling almost. I'll put these tomatoes into this boiling water. So our tomatoes are done. I'll just remove these tomatoes in normal water. Whenever we're gonna remove tomatoes in normal water, it's gonna stop the cooking procedure of tomatoes. So tomato, it won't get overcooked. Now we need to chop the tomatoes. Before that, I'll just, whatever vegetables I have cut, I'll just remove those vegetables in this plate. We're gonna peel the tomatoes now. My tomatoes are also done. As I told you, that cut will help us to remove the skin of the tomatoes. You can see मैं कितने easy से tomatoes के peel निकाल सकता हूँ. Few people also use green tomatoes, but better we should use red tomatoes only. We cannot put seeds in Arrabbiata. After deseeding the tomatoes, I'll chop these tomatoes very finely. So we'll start for sauce now. I'll need frying pan for the sauce. I'll add some oil. You can also use butter. ऑयल गरम होने देंगे. ऑयल गरम हो गया है. We'll add garlic and onion together. We're gonna saute this for some time. Garlic का फ्लेवर जो है ऑयल में आना चाहिए for sauce. Whenever you cook onions, I always prefer to add salt into onion, which help to onion to get cooked faster. Onion को थोड़ा soft होने देंगे. Then we will add alcos into it. Our onions and garlics are ready. We'll add alcohol into it. alcohol जो है थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा पकने के लिए. उसके लिए मैं पहले सौते करके लूँगा. alcohol के पत्ते भी आप सॉस में डाल सकते हैं. alcohol का जो एक खुद का फ्लेवर है वो सॉस को बहुत प्यारा बनाएगा. I'll just lower the flame. I will add little bit of water, which will help alcohol to cook faster. And which will also prevent our onions and garlic to get burned. I'm gonna add chili paste, a red chili paste in this sauce. ये रेड चिली पेस्ट जो है वो मैंने ड्राई रेड चिलीज को बॉईल करके बनाई है. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप रेड चिली पाउडर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट अराबियाता के लिए रेड चिली पेस्ट जो होता है, ड्राई रेड चिली का पेस्ट, इट गिव्स नाइस फ्लेवर. वी गोना ऐड ब्लैंच्ड टमाटोज इनटू दिस. Alcohol should get cooked along with the blanched tomatoes. We also gonna add tomato sauce. टमाटो सॉस जो है वो अरबियाता को जूसीनेस देगा और हल्का सा स्वीटनेस देगा. You can also add vinegar in arrabbiata. Our sauce is getting ready. मैं जब ये बनाने का सोच रहा था, that time I thought I'll prepare only Arrabbiata sauce with the prawns. But ये अलकुल के प्यार ने मुझे अलकुल से इतना नज़दीक बुला लिया कि मुझे हर एक चीज़ में अभी अलकुल डालने की आदत पड़ गई है. Now we will add prawns. प्रॉन्स को मैंने डिशल किया है, डिवेन किया है. गाइस, डिवेनिंग ऑफ द प्रॉन्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप उसके वेन्स नहीं निकालेंगे, सो इट इज़ अ मेजर कॉज फॉर फूड पॉइजनिंग. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल whenever you're gonna use prawns for your cooking. You have to make sure that you will devein the prawns properly. It's boiling. You can see the sauce is getting ready. Now I'll add some extra seasoning, the spiciness. I'm gonna add black pepper powder in this sauce. Pepper miller will help me to prepare this black pepper powder, which will enhance the flavor of this dish. We will taste the sauce. It's perfect. Prawns Arrabbiata is ready. I'll just switch off the burner and I'll add this spring onion into it. Nice flavor. Till the time our prawns were getting cooked, I just did my setup ready for salad. So we'll start for sprout salad. So guys, our dish is ready, our accompaniments are ready. So let's start for the plating. This is our famous bhujing. So guys, finally, our deconstructed bhujing is ready. दोस्तों, आज का ये सफ़र यही समाप्त हो रहा है. अगर आपको ये हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो, so do like, share and subscribe our channel, The Traveling Burner. See you next time.